Okay, hola estudiantes. Em, pues you have like a lot of questions for the assignments for how to enter to Google Classroom and all that. So I'm gonna do this video so I can teach you how to do it, and it's gonna be more easy for you to understand what I want you to do. Um, Here is the page of Google, of course. So you're gonna enter to your forward ISD apps, log in. I hope you're doing good. You're being safe. So here is your apps, and if you see you have Office, right? That's the one that you use to communicate with your teachers. Is your email, and here is Focus. That is for looking up your grade, all your grades. And this one is Google Classroom. Here it is. You click on it, and if you are not enrolled in my class, what you're gonna do? You're gonna go to the plus sign, and you're gonna put join a class. And here is class code, the one that I send you, like a lot of email, a lot of tests. Is like if you're Spanish 1, you're gonna put IJR26QL, and you wanna click join. So well, it says that it's invalid, but I guess it's because I currently enroll to the class. Let's try Spanish 2 to see what happened. It's SQJ3RL2. Join. Yeah, I guess like it's because I really I'm the teacher, and I already enrolled to the class, but you're supposed to go when you click on add the class, it's gonna show you this, right? If you enroll to Spanish 1, it's gonna be this one, right? So you click on that one, Spanish 1. See, the class code is the one that I told you already. It's not gonna let me in because I already have the class. I create the class. So very important, here is like tabs. This is a stream, that's the first page, and then classwork. In the stream, what you're gonna find, all the news that I put, and also the assignments. But it's better if when you read all this, to get more faster to the assignments, you go to classwork. Here in classwork are all the assignments that you have to turn in. I post one assignment per week. That's not too much. Just one assignment per month, and you're gonna turn it in. You're supposed to turn it in Monday or Tuesday. I give you a whole week to do that assignment. The instructions are right over here. Let's see the first assignment. It was a video. This one was April 15. If you didn't do it, do it. I have 5 people that like they do it, and still are missing 3 people. So you click on it, you click on the video, you watch it, when you watch it, then you go and comment on it, and then you're gonna look like here, like a space. It's gonna say turn in. When you comment, you put turn in. If you comment and you don't click turn in, it's not gonna appear like you did it. So you have to make sure that you put turn in. This one, a lot of you have questions of this one. You're supposed to click on the PowerPoint, read the PowerPoint and complete the questions. You read the PowerPoint, all the questions that are here are in the PowerPoint. But if you need to Google it, you can, but everything is here and it's in English. I didn't put anything in Spanish. When you finish with looking the PowerPoint, you click in the questions. Every student have their own worksheet. So it's gonna appear to me if you did it or not. And this is gonna save by themselves. Also, you can do share with me, and you put my email. You click on share and you put my email. Here is the questions. The questions are in Spanish, but common sense, like all the questions have like words that are cognates with English, like are decimal, like capital. Capital is the same thing. What is the capital of Cuba? What is the name of the people of Cuba? What is your name? And then you write here like a regular document. And then when you finish doing all the questions, there are 9 questions, it's not hard work. When you finish, you can do share, but also you have to do turn in. If you don't do turn in, it's gonna be like more difficult to me to put the grades on. Okay, so that's Cuba information. Then los colores. Los colores is the colors. What I want you to do here is go to Quizlet. Practice. When you click on it, it's gonna go to Quizlet. Then you practice the lecture. You can use flashcards. You can use Spell. Then you can have like a test. This part is not gonna be a grade. The grade is gonna be the video in Flipgrid. We did this in the classroom. So you go to Flipgrid, you log in with Microsoft. Log in with Microsoft. Whew, I'm like having troubles with my breathing. You go here, this is the classroom. If you need the code is here. If Flipgrid asks you the code, is here. Is this code. And here is also it's supposed to go straight, but if for some reason ask you the code, that is the code. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna find 5 objects around your house. The instructions are over here. And you're gonna say the name of the object in Spanish, and you're gonna say the color, what color is. For example, if it's a red, the pillow is red. So in Spanish you're gonna say la almohada es roja, okay? Or la almohada roja. Remember, like in Spanish, the adjective comes next to this pronoun. And if you click the video, you're gonna see me doing the activity. Then you're gonna do exactly the same. You're gonna find 5 objects. How? You click on the pause and the plus sign, and then it's gonna record. You're gonna record your answer. That's one activity. Then you go again and you click turn in. When you do the video and you click turn in, it's gonna appear to me. Okay? The other assignment is Pollito Tito short story. You're gonna see the story and then you are going to fill the form. Again, when you finish, you turn in and I can see it. Okay? This is the new one. I posted it today, so you have until next Friday to do it. You're gonna see the video. You're gonna comment on this video, and you're going to click here in the slides. Everybody have their own slide. You're gonna type in it. My trip to where? To I choose, let me see, from Cuba. If it's Spanish 1, it's Cuba. If it's Spanish 2, it's Colombia. So I'm gonna choose from Cuba. I'm gonna choose the capital, La Habana. So I'm gonna put Habana, Cuba. Then your name. I'm gonna put my name here, right? I'm gonna erase this because then it's gonna appear. Then you click on the other one. My favorite part, you're gonna do research. You already see a video about the lifestyle in Cuba. So you're gonna create what do you like, what you didn't like. Do you wanna go over there? What is the thing that get your attention from that place or from the video? And then you're gonna find the flight tickets. I spelled this wrong. Tickets. Flight tickets from Fort Worth, Texas to Havana, Cuba, to see how much is gonna be. You can use Google Flight. You can use Expedia. You can use a lot of Google information to see how much is gonna be. Then, do you need visa and passport? Why? Remember, visa is different from the passport. The visa is the one that have like other countries like Mexico, like Cuba, like Colombia, and all that places. Passport is the one that you have from your country. Like visa is for a period time. It's for travel. Is like if you're gonna do something specific, like working or like a meeting. But passport is the one that you have from your own country. Like we have like American country passport, like United States passport. And I did a class. Some of you did your own passport, so you're supposed to know about that. Do you have to stop in another state or country? Many times when you go like far, you have to do like a stop. I think like for Cuba, you're gonna stop in Miami or New York, or if you wanna have like a cheap ticket, you can stop in Mexico. And then you took another plane and go to Cuba. So explain all that means, write it over there, and then you do exactly the same. You're gonna choose a hotel or a hostel, whatever you like. And then you can share it, or you are gonna what? Turn in. So it's all the time is the same. You have all the information over there, and then you have grades here. And you can see the grades of the people. Well, in that case, it's gonna be your grade. But this is my